Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to hard reset Apple iPad Pro M5 without Apple ID password. First thing you have to do in such case is connect your device to a computer like a PC or iMac or MacBook. If you're using an Apple device, then you just have to open Finder on it. And if you have a Windows PC, you have to download the latest version of iTunes application from the official Apple website. Once you plugged in the USB Type-C cable into your device, plug in the other side into your computer, and then what you're gonna have to do is turn off your device by holding down the power button and volume down key at the same time, and slide the circle to power off. Then, once your device fully turns off, you have to press the volume up button and release it, volume down button and then release it, and then start holding the power button. So let's once again, volume up, volume down. Oh, I misclicked. Volume up, then volume down, and then hold down the power button and keep holding it until the recovery mode appears on your screen. And once the recovery mode appears on your screen, in your iTunes app or in your Finder application, you're gonna see something like this. There is a problem with the iPhone. I don't know why it's iPhone, but what you have to do right now is click Restore, then select Restore and Update, and then proceed with this instruction. Basically, agree to the privacy policy and go further, and eventually you will perform the factory reset operation on your device. And once you're finished, just unplug your iPad from the computer and then hold down the power button to turn it off, and then short press it once again to turn it back on. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.